Today I'm going to do a video on Greystone in Smyrna, Tennessee. This is a Meritage Homes subdivision, new construction. And as you can see, driving in, a lot of farmland out here. And this is where the subdivision was built, but just really quiet area out here. And I'm heading into the complex now. Great location. It's about 10 minutes from I-24. And it's about 30 minutes to downtown Nashville. It's hard to believe we're out here in this land, land out here in Tennessee, and only 20-30 minutes from Nashville, Tennessee. Heading in now, there's some townhomes out here also, and some single family. That's what I'm going to be videoing today. This is a single family. So just wanted to give you a preview, riding in and riding up to the entrance now. So we'll get started with this video and give you some great information on these homes. Hey, so now I'm standing in front of the entrance to the Greystone neighborhood by Meritage Homes. As I mentioned driving in, one of the things I love about Meritage Homes is they put such emphasis on energy efficiency. They have high efficiency windows, they have spray foam insulation, they have modern HVAC system designed to lower energy, they have air filtration systems that are hospital grade. So, they do something the other builders don't. And in the long run, that can really save you money. If you're relocating from a colder climate, or if you're coming from an area that has higher utilities, this could be a game changer. You might pay just a little bit more for new construction, but in the long run, you come out better because you're going to save money on all those efficiency. You're not going to have the maintenance costs, those type of things. As you see, the entrance here is really nice, and they do a great job landscaping here. So it's just a really nice community overall. And so now let's go take a look at some homes. Let's go take a look at the Johnson model. Before I go inside, I just wanted to show you the outside of this beautiful home. It's just under 3,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, just a lot of flexibility for families. And as you can see, it's a really pretty home, high grade siding, partial brick. So it's a nice home. Let's get inside and see what it looks like. So now let's take a look at some of the rooms. Just came in the front door, and nice wide hallway down to the open concept room there. And the office flex room over here on the right, beautifully decorated. Just a nice area for an office or for a sitting room. Guests come in and want a little privacy away from the TV, things like that. So just a really nice room there. Plenty of room in there. You walk down the hall and come back to the living room that we were looking at just a few minutes ago. As we said, plenty of room here, dining area, going onto the deck, and kitchen with a large island with the chairs there where you've got more room to eat. So you have plenty of people to eat there. And plenty of cabinet space in the kitchen, plenty of space to walk. It's not tight between the island in the kitchen. That's something I really like. And the pantry, a large pantry, which is just great. A lot of new homes don't have a lot of pantry space, and this really makes it nice here. And as I said, this one has the 5th bedroom downstairs, guest bedroom. And that's just a great option if you need that 5th bedroom, if you have a large family or you entertain guests a lot. But that's just an option. You can also have this be a small gym or another office. But at any rate, it's nice to have this bedroom downstairs. And full bath downstairs that services that bedroom area. And then from there, you go out onto the garage. 2-bedroom garage. Nothing special there, but plenty of room. All right, let's go upstairs and take a look at the master bedroom and the other 3 bedrooms upstairs. Okay, heading up the stairs now. I love the wood flooring going up the stairs. They do a great job with the construction here. I love this room here. It just seems to pop when you walk up. I'm just on the one more step to go, and then bonus room, family room, big windows looking out, really nice. You have the master bedroom off of the bonus room. Really big, plenty of room, king size bed in here, so that gives you an idea how much room you have. Big wide windows up there, really like that. As you can see, just so much space here. As I said, this is a 3,000 square foot home, 5 bedrooms, and master bathroom, something to see. It's really big, trying to give you an idea of how big it is here. So you can see walk-in shower, toilet area, and large walk-in closet. So let's go take a look at the laundry room and the other bedrooms. As you leave the master, the laundry is upstairs. I really like that because the bedrooms are upstairs. That's where you need the laundry. And I love that sign on the wall. I need Alexa to do my laundry for me. So going back through the bonus room, heading to the bedrooms. Large guest bedroom, plenty of room in here. Big windows, full bath. That second bedroom with the bath inside is really nice. Closets, I want to open up the closets, but there's plenty of room in the closets here. Down the hall, and this is another full bath, double vanity here, which is really nice. And it services the other 2 bedrooms here. So bedroom number 4, all of them are the same size, plenty of room. A lot of light in this home. Across the hall. The other bedroom, same size, very nice. And 4 bathrooms, so that's very nice. Plenty of room, plenty of bedrooms. So that gives you an idea of the rooms in the house. Okay, now I'm in the Sherwood model, a little over 2,700 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, very flexible. And I started not to show you this one because there's blue tape all over the walls because Meritage has already done a pre-inspection. They're not waiting for the seller to put up blue tape, they're putting up the blue tape themselves so they can get all the blemishes corrected before they even show the house. So I'm going to turn it around now and show you all the rooms right quick. As I said, keep in mind this one is under construction, so everything's not going to be perfect. This coming in the front door, and then to the left is the office, and you can tell this how big this room is without the furniture in it like the last one. So plenty of room there for either a living area, office area, sitting room. It's really flexible there. Half bath. And as we go down to the garage, go out that door to the garage there, another 2-car garage. And laundry room is on the bottom floor, large laundry room, plenty of room in here. Laundry room's on the bottom floor because the Master bedroom is on the bottom floor. When we walk in, you can see kitchen area, really big, similar, large pantry, plenty of room for food storage. And again, dining area over there, not quite as big as the other space, but plenty of room. Large windows, same thing, plenty of light. Going back towards the open concept. Living room, plenty of room over here, just like we had in the last house. We'll walk into the master bedroom. In the big bedroom, the vaulted type ceilings, I like that. And the large master bathroom. Let's see, this is about 300 square feet less, so some rooms are a little smaller, but still plenty of room for a nice house. Maybe making a little noise when I walk across the plastic. If y'all will forgive me for that. Going up the stairs now to look at the other bedrooms. As we go upstairs, turn to the right, and we have a big great room up here. Really big. And wanted to show you, that's the spray foam. No heat or cold is getting through that. That really keeps the heat in, really keeps the cool in the summertime. So that's one of the benefits of the Meritage Homes. As I mentioned before, they have the high efficiency windows, spray foam, insulation. They have modern HVAC, energy efficient. They have a hospital grade air filtration system in each home. Full bath in this bedroom. Full bath with double vanity here for the other two bedrooms. Really big there. Got two children, they got plenty of room to brush their teeth together. Another big bedroom. Really large closet for the extra bedroom. And the other bedroom. And you get closet space here. So that gives you a quick idea of the Sherwood, 2,750 square feet. And all the energy efficient things, all of that, it's just great. So let's go take a look at the clubhouse and wrap this thing up. Last thing I want to show you is this wonderful clubhouse. This is really, it's a first class clubhouse for these type of neighborhoods. Just kind of panning around with me in the background, but I'm gonna turn this around and show this to you now. You'll really like it. This is really great. For clubhouse, this is a great way to meet people in the neighborhood also. You have events here, you can schedule things. Got the pool out there, coming down inside in the summertime to get cool. Fireplace for the winter. Really, really nice. I'll try not to bounce too much. And great outside patio with some sun coming in there, really nice. Patio outside, we'll walk out there in a minute. And there's a bar going into the kitchen here, and a really, really huge kitchen. I mean, you could do some nice things here. I'm gonna head out to this pool, and it's not just like a small pool. It is a really big pool for a neighborhood pool. So you have the shaded area here. You have some AstroTurf grass for games, and the pool, like I said, it's a really big pool. Just great. You can you can roll a wheelchair down there into this pool if you needed to. And then you have the kiddie pool. So this is a great place to meet people, great place for your friends to meet people. And that's big in a neighborhood like this. Kids being able to make friends. And so this is huge here. This is another bonus. And just wanted to let you see that as the last thing. All right, that gives you a quick look at Greystone here in Smyrna, Tennessee by Meritage Homes. Today we toured a couple of the homes available here, a spacious 5-bedroom plan with nearly 3,000 square feet, and another great layout with a primary bedroom on the first floor. We also took a look at the community clubhouse and amenities. One thing buyers really like about the Meritage Homes is the energy efficiency, spray foam insulation, modern HVAC systems, and designs that are built to keep your utility costs down. Thinking about moving to Smyrna or anywhere in the Nashville area and want more information about this neighborhood, available homes, or new construction in general, I'm always happy to help. You can reach me directly, 615-436-5995, or email wade@wadepricehomes.com to schedule a call. And if you're researching the best places to live around Nashville, make sure to subscribe. Post new videos every week about neighborhoods, communities, and what it's really like living here in Middle Tennessee. Thanks for watching. Again, I'm Wade with eXp Realty. I'll see you in the next video.